Welcome to our next fling into something really odd and interesting. We are taking you for a quick tour of MeowWolf's Omega Mart, located inside Area 15 in Las Vegas, Nevada.
We're not going to show you the entire Area 15 property or that of the Omega Mart. Instead, this is but a snapshot of what is in store for you. Pun intended.
So sit back, relax, and gaze upon the odd world of Omega Mart.
Please comment below if you enjoyed this video, and remember to hit that subscription button and notification bell icon so that you can be notified when we put out new content. Also, please share this video if you enjoyed it, and even if you didn't enjoy it, please share it. It helps us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, what's Omega Mart?
Huh? Omega Mart?
What's Omega Mart?
Yeah, what is Omega Mart?
So, what is Omega Mart?
I found it to be a very overwhelming, detailed deviation of normality.
And that's a good way of looking at it. And I similarly thought that it was a unique, immersive experience akin to like a real life video game. And one of the first things that you want to try to come across is what they call a boop card. So those, you just like approach one of the workers there and ask them for a boop card, and they should give you one. That's important because there's these little round, those you just touch, as you can see here in the footage. Starts these little computers. Also, you find them throughout the whole experience.
I really loved that everything is interactive, and the workers there encourage you to touch everything and to look at everything the way you would want to.
What's your favorite cereal? Oh, those. Buddy, for a angel slime or primordial ooze. The artist involved to create this odd yet enjoyable ads that you see on the wall, you could tell that they had a lot of fun creating some of them. And apparently they like corn a lot too, I've noticed.
Or don't like corn a lot.
Yeah, one or the other. So. So this is not soup, it is sop.
Dream of mushroom, barley barley,
Implied chicken,
home style pigeon,
fashioned beef, hints of husk. Home style pigeon, that is gross. Let's take a look at the fresh meat section.
Every thought in the neurons come from source. It's like feedback through the microphone. Then home, but every was a transmission from one airman.
Here we have Birth of Venus party platter. Non-traditional ham. Encephalo. And there is the tattooed chicken. I would like to get a pound of the tattooed chicken.
Pangasica.
What is it?
Pangasica.
Oh, Pangasica. So it's like pancetta.
Would you guys like to help me with some product research today?
Sure.
Yes, and then just right over the nose.
Oh, sorry.
So we have these wonderful blue chunks. Trying to come up with a new flavor. So right now it's for between green chunks to help energize and orange for a nice self-realization experience. Which one sounds better to you?
Definitely energized.
Definitely energizing.
Oh.
Green.
I was going with orange myself, yeah.
Orange. Okay, and then how would you feel about pink? This one's been pretty controversial upstairs.
Pink,
Pink, yes.
and that's
We haven't quite figured out its usage yet, but it seems promising.
Market it as a surprise.
as a what?
Market it as a surprise.
You're good. You should. Are you an Omega Mart employee yet?
Not yet.
Do you have an access card?
We do
Well,
actually.
we're sharing one.
Yeah.
You should become an employee. It looks like you have some good ideas over here. We would love to have you on our research team.
There you go. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
Now, one of the things that you'll find about the employees that roam around in there, they do stay in character, which is also part of the whole experience. I love it. So you could ask them for directions to a particular aisle, and they will lead you like they are an employee of that store. Really neat.
So there were two gateways into the alternate reality.
Actually, there were three.
Oh, there were three?
Yeah, one in the recreation tent. You have one in the cooler, and then one over by the laundry detergent.
Oh, I missed that one.
Yeah. Well, no, you're actually in there in the footage, so you didn't miss it.
I went through the laundry detergent?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh my God! What happened on the side? Omega Mart.
Apparently we've come into a transcendental cave.
Now, there are clues everywhere in this place. So read everything, touch everything, watch everything. It adds to the storyline and you become part of it. So that's unique.
There's actually several different storylines that you can follow, but for me it was very overwhelming to where I couldn't really follow it, any particular storyline. I was just in too much of awe of everything.
Yeah, so depending on how deep you want to go down the rabbit hole, that's, you can go down it as deeply as you want to.
So to see absolutely everything there, it would take literally hours. And I think we were there just for a few hours. So
Yeah.
I'm sure we didn't see everything there was to see. So even with this video, I think that if it interests you at all, it's definitely worth seeing.
Yes. Now, it is rather expensive, but in hindsight, it's well worth it. So just make sure that you make the best of it, get involved in it, try to understand the storyline, and really soak it up.
Yeah, but it says Jesse's Factory Takeover, Omega Mart Takeover, and Dram Corp Takeover.
These might be her dreams. Or these might be Maria's dreams.
that's going outside. Okay, this is the way into the refrigerator here. Yeah. So this is some crazy warped drinks. So the further you get in, the more warped the drinks. Poker chips, a Geiger counter.
The research team at Dark for short. So I was working late one night and I saw the Dark guys on the factory floor and they kept saying the word
Sarah is the mom. Charlie is the
Grandfather.
grandfather. And either Maria or Rose is
What's going on here?
Got some 5 bottles of bottled source and 1 cake of Desire extract. Because you got like stains on the roof. That's really cool. And as you come through, products morph
Into aliens.
into deconstructed items. I wonder who this skeleton is. Seven Monolith Village. The population seems to be dropping rapidly. Gotta love the books. Flip the script. Extreme proactivity. And alchemy, the dark art. This looks like a break room. It is a break room.
If it's transcending space-time and impossible to follow from yesterday because it might spill tomorrow. So cause yourself sorrow, only one poem can save you. Is it off-white pages? Like farms and acres? Difficult spells lead to difficult dangers. A spill left unattended can cause equipment failure. If equipment fails, don't stop it or start it. Replace the echo cone with a new cone of aqua. Autocone. It's equipment fire, never touch it if you're on.
So these are the employee lockers.
Something's
Ooh,
going
there's
on.
some goo going on in here.
What?
Be careful, look in there.
Oh. Oh.
Look at that. What? There's something back here. Oh my.
This is our reception area for Grand Court. Feel free to talk to our reception box.
Thank you. Oh, reception box.